Is it strong? What do you all feel? Yes, explosive move. Is it fresh? After the leg out, has price ever come back to the zone? Never. It is a fresh zone. So it is strong, it is fresh, and we have only one basing candle. So it qualifies on all fronts. So this can be a good area to go long if price pulls back to this demand zone. So when will we enter? We'll wait for a pullback. If price comes back to demand zone, this is where we will want to go long. So now, how do we keep a track? Once you have identified the zone, we can just set a price alert. What are the coordinates? So somewhere around 1770. So we can put a price alert whenever price is near the zone. That's when we can evaluate and go long when it comes into the zone. So multiple ways to enter. One is when it is falling down, you go long. But when price is falling down, going long, what is the risk? So this is called the limit entry or the first type of entry. When you are entering, when it reaches the proximal line. So what is the risk here, friends, if you go long? So what is the probability of a long trade after price pulls back to a fresh zone? So we're going to cover that. So once price comes back here, you enter. But there is a risk. It can keep falling down and stop you out. So for that, what can you do? You can wait for price to turn around, show you some confirmation. When it is leaving the zone, you enter. So now it depends upon whether you are an aggressive trader or a conservative trader. As an aggressive trader, you would prefer a limit entry. You'll place your order beforehand. When it reaches here, your order will be filled. If you're a conservative trader, you'll wait for some kind of turnaround and then enter. Some traders even wait for some bullish reversal. Let price come down, show me some bullish candlestick formation, and then I will enter. But confirmation trading, the drawback is you have to sit in front of the screen. You may miss out on the trade. What if price just touches the zone and shoots up? You will miss out on the trade. So friends, for me, most of my entries are based on set and forget, limit entries. Yes, some cases I do confirmation trades, but majority of them are limit entries. So I would prefer going for limit entries. But when you are new to supply demand, when price is falling down like this, is it easy for you to press the buy button? Will it be easy on the mind, friends? When you see big red candles coming down, will you able to buy? Initially, no. But yes, once you're good with supply demand, you'll realize the best entry is the limit entry. And for that, set and forget works the best. If you're sitting in front of the screen, you may panic. Better is put your orders. Put your good till cancel orders. Yeah. So keep a watch on Infosys. There is an opportunity here. If price pulls back, we have an opportunity to go long.